fun one today for you called Shoulder Flex Extreme. 3 levels. Get yourself a belt or any kind of rope or webbing that's roughly this long, about 3 feet, a little less. You're going to come up onto the line into standing. Be anywhere on the line, it's up to you. In the center is a little bit more movement. Closer to the anchor might be easier to start. You decide that. For level 1, you're going to hold the object, whatever it is, webbing or belt, on each end with each hand. From there, we're going to take it behind us and work it down low, taking the foot, stepping behind, and then you're going to step forward, allowing the back foot to come free. Take it away. Get you back where you started. Now we're going to reverse that. So we're going to step through, switch feet, transition the weight. This one I'm going to bend a little low so I don't have to take my leg as high. And I'm going to work it back to the front. That's level 1 from standing. Do that 1 time, work your way up, do it 3 times, do it 5 times. Now we're going to go to level 2. This is an exposure. Same thing. So starting, holding it on each end, work it behind you. Either way, doesn't matter. See, as long as I'm bending one arm, I can bend the other. And I'm going to transition the weight, slight bend in the knees here. Transitioning the weight on the one foot. Placement is at the top of my foot, so a lot of heel is hanging over. I got my toes hanging over in the front and a lot of heel hanging over in the back. And I can also bend at the knees and bring my chest closer to the line, so it can be a quick movement here to step that foot over. Transition the weight to the other foot, same thing. Quick movement, slide the object you're holding against the line, bring it back in front. Now reverse it. Bring it back down low, weight on one foot, stepping over, transitioning the weight to the other leg, stepping over, bringing it back to where you started. All right, gonna move now to level 3. This one's the most difficult. There's higher stakes here. This is where I'd recommend, if you're concerned about falling forward, have a little safety mat here. There is a moment in this exercise where you could be pretty exposed, so get a mat just to be safe. Coming into double knee exposure, placement's going to be right here in the squishy spot, top of the shin, bottom of the knee, a little distance between the knees. Again, holding it onto both ends. I'm going to take it behind you. From here, I like to make a little loop. You see this little loop that's happening back here? A little smiley face. I like to create that shape, bring my chest down low, and take it behind both feet at the same time. Then I'm going to rock my weight from one knee, slide it through, other knee, slide it through. We're back where we started. Okay? Reversing that, bringing it down, a little smiley to get it in. Transitioning the weight to the other side. Quick movement. I can slide this along the line to help me. And then again, keeping that smiley to take it behind both feet at the same time. Bringing my chest low. And boom, back where we started. Work your way up. Again, do it 3 times. Do it 5 times in a row. Have fun with it and send us your videos. Until next time. Peace.